Welcome to StockSync's tutorial on using the upload file method. Let's dive right into step 1, Feed Manager page, and guide you through the process. Begin by locating the designated space on the page. This is where you'll upload your feed file. Simply drag and drop your file, or click to browse and select. By default, StockSync automatically detects the file format for you. But if you're using specialized feed file format or if your file is zipped or compressed, it's crucial you specify the format manually. Moving on, you might notice an option to specify file encoding. While the default value works for most, if your feed file has a specific encoding, ensure you select the correct one. You are also able to choose a column separator when the feed file has a different separator. If your feed file comes with a header, you'll want to enable the first row is header option. This ensures StockSync recognizes and treats that first row as a descriptor, not product data. Once you've made all the necessary selections, simply click Next to continue.